Hello, this is an explanation video for the first day of class, which is Tuesday, September 7th, 2021. So when you log into Schoology, you will see this. This is our main page, and it has all the folders that you will need for this semester. This is our schedule right here. This is our weekly schedule. Then if you come down here to the bottom, this is Module A. Welcome back, Fall 2021. This is everything we will have for this week, both the sync and the async. So click on this folder, Module A, and you'll see week 1, welcome to level 6. So you click here, and then day 1, which is Tuesday, September 7th. So sync, this is what we are doing together in the class. So the first part, the class agenda, we will learn about each other's bucket list to get to know one another and start building our classroom community. We will ensure that Remind is on our phones to learn how to navigate the app, send and receive messages, and turn on notifications to always be in constant communication with my teacher and classmates. We will learn about the class, classroom procedures and routines, and to have a fun and safe semester together. And we will learn how to use Schoology to navigate and access our assignments and get more information about our course. So if we click here, we come back to the sync folder. So here's the Remind app. This is information about how to install Remind. So you will watch this video. It gives information about installing Remind on your phone. Click here to go back to sync. Okay, community building, my bucket list. So what is a bucket list? It is a list of things you want to do before you die, right? So these are goals that you have for your life sometime in the future, but they are important goals for you. So for example, some people might want to jump out of a plane. Some people might want to visit Japan. Some people might want to swim with dolphins, right? These are goals that you can have for fun things that you want to do. You will talk to a partner and tell them 3 to 5 things that you want to do before you die, so you can share the items on your bucket list. Make sure to write down what your partner says. You will need this information to complete your async homework. So go back to the sync folder. Welcome to level 6. So this slideshow is all of the important information you will need for level 6 this semester. We'll click through it and we'll discuss some of these important details. Okay, so we'll discuss this in the class. And then navigating Schoology. We'll discuss how to navigate Schoology. I'll show you on the computer the different parts, including how to log in, how to find our units, modules, days, and lessons, also async versus sync. I'll also show you the grade book and how to see your grades and your assignments. Okay, so that's it for the sync session. Let's look at the async for today. Here's the async. So very simple, one activity, it's the bucket list. So this goes back to what we did in our sync session. You spoke to a classmate about their bucket list. Now you will introduce that friend to the class in the discussion post. You will tell us about your friend and the items on their bucket list. You are telling us your friend's name and 3 to 5 things they told you about on their bucket list. This is why it's important to write down what your partner says to you during the activity. Some of you might be absent for the sync session. If you are absent, that is okay. You can tell us about your bucket list. Okay, what are the things that you want to do, the important things that you want to do in your life before you die? So here's an example of a bucket list. My partner was Jose. For his bucket list, Jose would like to travel to Europe. He also wants to meet his grandchildren in the future. Finally, Jose would like to learn how to speak Chinese. Okay, so you would put that information here in the comment, and when you're done, you will press post. Okay, so that is the final async assignment for today. And that is the end of what we will do today. The first day of class, Tuesday, September 7th. Thanks and best of luck.